welcome to Reiki FX Doctrine. Please don't forget to subscribe and share and also comment. So today we're going to be discussing your DXY. That includes your gold, your Euro USD, and your GBP USD. So let us begin. So today I'm going to be teaching you how you guys can analyze DXY for the week. So let us do this quickly. Okay. Let us consult the dollar index. Okay, firstly, you guys have to see what do we need and what has the market been doing. So let us just squeeze in so you guys can see properly. So everyone can see properly. Okay, so let us first draw our trend lines. Okay, with the market was playing along the market usually the market collects its own volatility. As you can see here, guys, the market was playing along here, and I can say this can be your projection lines. As you can see, the market rejected here on this point, rejected also here, rejected also there. So now for you to be able to analyze, you must go back and see. Let's see. So this is let's go to a 15 minutes chart time frame. 15 minutes chart time frame. Okay, a little bit bigger now. Excuse me, guys. I think I'm making a little bit of internet, but yeah. As you guys can see here, as you guys can see, there's a spike here. There's a reason why there's a spike here. Usually the DXY gets affected by news, and also gets affected by things like natural disasters and stuff. Can be one of them, can be Corona, as you guys know that. But today we're going to be discussing a very important strategy of how you can actually see and how you can actually kill both markets, especially with DXY and Euro USD. So as you guys can see this pattern here. Let me just highlight this pattern for you guys. Just here. Just this thing for you guys. I want you guys to notice where I'm putting these things. I want you guys to notice where I am already putting these things here. Just putting my support levels and how I'm putting them. As you guys can see, this is actually normal for me to do this. Let's just do this. I want you guys to recognize this movement here. You see this movement here, guys? This movement is very important. So let us go to our Euro USD. Let's go to our Euro USD. Euro USD. So basically you guys have to learn that this is the opposite of DXY, exactly the opposite of DXY, guys. It's actually quite simple. Remember the spike here, remember the spike was here. So the DXY is upside down of Euro USD. So remember on the other side, I had these things right here. I had my support levels right here on the DXY. Remember the guys, and I had another one here again. I think it was here again. Guys, just move this a little bit. Just another one here, there again. Let's go back a little bit. Let's go back a little bit. Squeeze it in. These are 15 minutes. Okay, sharp. Remember what I said about the spikes? So remember this spike occurred on DXY as well. So what I'm basically trying to say here, guys, is that this pair and DXY actually goes along and runs along together. It's actually one and the same thing. So for us to clarify everything here, for us to clarify everything, I want you to look at this movement here, guys. Look at this movement. Did you see this movement? This long candlestick and this movement. And if now we go to a DXY, you're gonna see that there's gonna be a different movement like this. I mean, a similar movement like this one, but this time it's gonna be on our DXY. So let us look for a dollar index DXY on our CFDs. There we go. 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 So, as the market is selling on our Euro USD, our DXY buys. So now you know. I said you must look at this movement. So similar is that one. Remember, guys, what I said. What I said. Remember the spike as well. So I'm quite sure everyone can notice that this is similar to that one. Yeah. So when the Euro USD goes down, the DXY goes up, and when the DXY goes down, the Euro USD goes up. So again, I'm gonna now go to our gold. So the guys need to pay attention because they are all linked, as you guys know. They're all linked. So let's just okay. I prefer Owanda. Okay, yeah, good. I prefer Owanda. So basically, let us analyze again. So this market, this market right here is quite slow because it's a Monday, but it's okay. Let's just analyze and see where we can catch our pips. So this is on a 15 time frame, on a 15-minute time frame, guys. Okay, on a 15-minute time frame. So usually gold is much easier to analyze, as you guys can see here. It is much easier to analyze. It's not that difficult. It's not that difficult. It's actually more interesting. It's interesting. Yeah, it's interesting. And what I like about it is that once you see that the DXY is also dropping, yeah, it's also dropping. You can actually analyze properly, yeah. So this is on my 15-minute time frame. As you guys can see, it's on my 15-minute time frame. So gold as well can also work as order blocks, as you know how bank trades. So banks usually wait for such movements here. As we know, gold can also drop to this certain level. So let's just do this for now. Let's do this for now. So this analysis is quite, for a newbie, you must now understand why I'm actually doing this, because there's basic stuff, basic knowledge which your mentor should teach you at the beginning of every session or every class or every tour or whatever they call it. So as you can see here, guys, as you can see, so usually an order block is that the market can fetch its volatility here, guys. It can fetch its volatility, so it can usually drop. Let's put a, as you can see, this was a major movement for the buyers here. Here, it was a major movement for the buyers. So let us just do this. Let's put it. It was a major movement for the buyers. So usually when you see this, the gold usually closes such candlesticks. It will usually replace its money or its volatility here, guys. So you guys have to understand that when we do this, you have to have basic knowledge and full mentorship from your, okay, let's go full screen so everyone can actually see what we're doing here. Now, guys, now let us do this. Let's do this. Let me see. Yeah. So this is how the chart looks, guys, on this 50 minutes. Let me just extend this. Let me just extend this and make sure this one is also narrow. So guys, as I said guys, you need to analyze DXY for you to understand gold and the direction where it's heading. So DXY is actually going up right now, which means gold will also fall, and it will fetch its volatility until maybe this size this year. Yeah. But now what I'm expecting is that there's going to be a reversal. Since it's a Monday, it's going to be a reversal. You know how gold works. There's going to be a reversal. Since it's order block, this is how it works. So we might be expecting on this movement here, we might be expecting a reversal that will come to this point and go down again, and it will take. So as you can see guys, this, according to this, yeah, it's almost similar. This movement is almost similar to this movement here guys. You see this movement here guys, it's almost similar to this movement. You see guys, do you see that? So it's gonna come back. So what happened here was that it went up, buyers were happy, and it came back to make the sellers also happy and collected its volatility. And here it almost created inverse head and shoulders, but it didn't. It just continued doing its things. And again here, it almost created the same one as this one. It made the buyers happy, came back and fought again for its volatility, and now it is doing this again on a major scale. So guys, I'm expecting you guys to understand this right now, because this is very important. So let us hold it right there. Let us go to our 4-hour time frame, which we're gonna confirm our things, which we are going to confirm our real trades. So guys, this is the basic analysis. As you can see, this analysis has been there for a long time guys, and now, as I said before guys, as you guys can see, there is a major drop. Gold is going to drop, and it's going to come here guys and close all the buyers which were expecting to buy here guys. You guys must also know your candlesticks, your inverted hammers and stuff, and their meanings. So this is going to be quite simple, this one. So before you do anything with gold, please analyze your dollar index guys. As your dollar index is buying, your gold also sells. Okay, now let's go back to our Euro USD. So back to our Euro USD, which is usually okay. Wait, this is GBP. Yeah, this is GBP. This is GBP, guys. This is GBP. GBP. So as you guys know, that GBP is one of the most dangerous pairs to trade. Some say it doesn't belong into the forex space because it's very dangerous. So with GBP USD, it is quite simple guys to trade GBP USD. For you guys to actually know how to trade GBP USD, can I usually say, for just a little bit of advice, if you're gonna trade forex, just make sure that you have a certain amount of money, like at least $100, so you can be able to begin. All right. So no, let's remove this. So you guys have to understand that it is actually what people not actually what people expect with GBP USD. GBP USD, it is much volatile than other pairs and also dangerous, which I advise you guys to trade with proper risk management, guys. Apply proper risk management on this one, and everything is gonna be fine. There we go. So if you can see these points I'm highlighting here, guys, it's basically where the market was just reversing, and the similar candlesticks that occur at these patterns in GBP USD. So guys, now guys, I want you guys to actually get this. So here guys, we're gonna be doing this. So let me just draw a trend line to approve my analysis on a bigger time frame, bigger scale, bigger scale, on a bigger scale. It is quite simple, guys. It is quite simple. As you guys can see, it is quite simple. It's not that difficult. I mean, you guys have to learn your patterns and your candlesticks. As you guys can see here, for those who know this is what this is called the flag. The flag. It's one of the most important things you should also know. So basically what's happening here, guys, is that as you can see, touch 1, touch 2, touch 3, touch 4. So already you guys can see, after this major trend, it's basically gonna shoot up again. As you can see, it's gonna go up, forming its own flag going up. Hey guys, so let us just finish up. Let's just finish up this trend. I mean everything here. Just finish up all of this. Let's finish up all of this so people can actually understand what we are doing here. Okay, sharp. Cancel. No, I want to leave side. I want to keep it ID. It's okay, sharp. So from here on top, you set your future support and resistance. Momentum might not have taught you this, but I'm teaching you now. For I know this is very important. It's very important. For the gurus, the gurus out there trade this. They will tell you, this is where the market is gonna come from here. But as you see, it's actually simple, guys. It's actually simple. The market is basically showing you its direction in where it's gonna play along. It's gonna play along when it gets to the top. This is on a 4-hour time frame, guys. On a 4-hour time frame, remember, on a 4-hour time frame, guys. So as you can see, this was a major movement here, guys. Major movement 1, major movement 2, major movement 3. Yeah, then it went up again. So basically we're gonna say high sensitive, and it's gonna be correction. So basically it's correcting everything, going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So let me see, this was a form of not a head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders, but almost like a W. Yeah, almost like a W, guys, as you can see from here. Yeah, from here going up, then it went down. So I think what you need now is to check if, let us prove if DXY is actually going up. DXY on a measure. Okay, this is how it looks on a 4-hour time frame. Let's go to a normal time frame, which is 15 minutes. 15 minutes, as you can see, guys, it's basically a nice movement here, So this is for DXY, you guys. I usually use it for analyzing. It's actually simple. When you analyze, then you know which high sharp. This is for taking your trades on Euro USD and your gold as well. So I think my analysis on Euro was not finished here because I did this, I didn't do this. So let us go to Euro USD. As I can remember, let's go to Euro USD, just go to say Forex, Wonder, Euro USD, Wonder. Man, not this one, what? It was this one, It was 50. I remember I did something here, guys. Yeah. So let's go down. Let's go down. This is 15 minutes, so it was like this. It was like this, guys, as I can remember from the inverse of DXY. So basically, DXY does the opposite of Euro, as you guys will know that. You guys will notice that, and it's actually simple, guys. You guys have to know what you're doing here. Someone has to teach you these things, because if you don't know, you will never know. What you don't know, you don't know. You know what I'm saying? What you don't know, you don't know. So some of your mentors don't know this. It is crazy, or maybe they never taught you because they don't want you to nourish, or maybe because they just want themselves eating and you guys just saying, yo, mentor, you're good, you're this. But there we go, guys. There we go. So what motivated me to do this is because I look up to the FS codes and Jason Noah and the others. So basically what I'm doing here is what the FS codes will do. So let us go. High sensitive. As you guys can see, correction here. Just correction, and everything. Okay, guys. So ascending structure. Yeah. The ascending structure is basically here, guys. As you can see, this is your ascending structure, which is basically going up, and you guys can also zoom in. As you guys can see, they are very impulsive. The very impulsive candlesticks here, guys. And when it goes up, it gives correction from the downtrend that has actually happened here, guys. And as you guys can see that now that you guys know, you can compare your DXY and your gold and your GBPUSD and your EURUSD. They're all connected, guys. You guys have to know that it is very important. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos, so you can actually motivate and we can do more videos. And yeah, you guys can also share as well what you've learned today. Don't be greedy, it's actually normal. And Ricky FX Doctrine signing out. You can also find us on Instagram at _Ricky FX Doctrine and on Facebook at Ricky FX Doctrine. Thank you guys for watching and for your time, and I hope you guys have gained something here and you guys gonna use it in real life. Again, thank you.